So, how to fix Instagram confirmation code easy and fast in less than 1 minute? Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy, so please keep watching until the end. The first step you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings page on your phone like this and then go to the apps. Now all what you have to do here is just go to the apps manager. Right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So go to the Instagram from here. Where is it? And here is it right here. Click on Instagram. Now click here on force stop and then go to the storage right here. Click on this clear cache right here and clear data. Also, it's very important, so please make sure to click on clear data. And now go and click again here on force stop. Now all what you have to do is go to the data usage and make sure that all those options are enabled like this. Go back again, click on the notifications, turn it off and turn it on again. And now restart your phone and reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.